Hi, I'm Rusty Wise.
And I'm Jermaine Gash.
And today on the Wise News Network, we're going to do an update on the Cherryville, North Carolina eateries and restaurants. The first topic is Scooters. It's open now, doing very well. I've eaten there a few times myself, and I know Jermaine has.
Almost every day.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool place. Spending too much money there, but Scooters is open, and they had their ribbon cutting.
Ready.
On three, say Cherryville. 1, 2, 3.
Cherryville.
I hope I said it right.
Really quick, sing happy birthday to Mr. Sam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you.
Scooters Coffee is now open in Cherryville, North Carolina. Scooters is best known for their amazing fast food drive-thru, specialty coffee, and baked from scratch pastries. Scooters is located at 2507 Lincoln Highway in Cherryville in front of the Walmart. During the ribbon cutting and grand opening, there were a few people that spoke. Cherryville Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors Chairman Pete Kraft and the Cherryville Mayor H.L. Bean.
Our folks from the chamber, from the city, we're always glad to see. Tony, we thank you for opening business here, you and Janine. Scooters Coffee, and so I like coffee myself. I probably drank it from the bottle when I was a baby.
We're so fortunate to have you as one of our newest businesses in Cherryville where life truly blossoms, and you're going to be a part of that. We want to thank you for choosing Cherryville. You've got a great product. I've already tasted it myself, and I'm so glad that it's in the K-Cups because I've been filling up my K-Cup every morning because I love the taste of it. I've got that medium roast. I don't know if there's anything any better than that, but thank you so much for choosing Cherryville. I know you'll be successful because you have a new, unique product that you brought to our town.
We don't know what to say. We weren't expecting this. We didn't know what to expect coming into a small town, but the response has been incredible. And like I said, I'm overwhelmed right now. I don't embarrass easy. I'm embarrassed, but I feel a little bit emotional, which I don't get emotional, but I am. And I can't thank you enough. We've moved from New York about 7.5 months ago. When we first came down looking at sites and homes, we, being from New York, you are a certain way. And when people are opening doors for you and saying yes and thank you and those little, I'm telling my wife, I'm like telling my wife, what's the matter with these people? and what I'm telling you is the Southern hospitality is real, and we feel it, and it feels so good. And I say, why didn't we move earlier? So thank you so much. If you ever need anything, you'll pretty much see me around a lot.
We're here.
And we're here. I'm staying involved with the high school, with anybody I can, the police, the fire department. I want to be involved in the community. It's very important to us to stay on that course. We realize how important it is. But please stop by anytime, say hello, and we're so happy to be here. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Scooters Coffee has been serving world-class coffee for more than 20 years and has over 500 locations. Their goal is to have up to 3,000 stores. Their signature drink is the Caramelicious. They also have Red Bull infusions, cold brews, and many made from scratch pastries. Scooters Coffee was founded in 1998 by Don and Linda Eccles in Bellevue, Nebraska. And one feature that they have is the ability to use the app for payment as they scan in a drive-through window. And also coming to Cherryville, North Carolina is Pete's Fish Box. Coming in the original fish box that was there in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, Cherryville is excited to have fish again. Pete's Fish Box will be located at 108 West 1st Street in Cherryville, North Carolina. The owner is Tracy Heavener. They have been working on the building for approximately 1 year. It's going to be called Pete's Fish Box after her daddy, Pete Heavener, who loved to fish. The hours will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and the menu will include fillet of flounder, perch, fillet catfish, and bone-in catfish, as well as Alaskan white, calabash shrimp, fan-tailed shrimp, and devil crabs. They'll have 2 combination and 3 combination plates, as well as children's and senior citizen plates. There has been no exact opening date for Pete's Fish Box, but they hoping to be open in the next few months.
In other news, 133 Cafe and Sweets located on Main Street has permanently closed. This is the second bakery to close in the past 2 years in the exact same location, located on 200 East Main Street. The original bakery was called Butter Me Up. At the moment, there has been no response from 133 Cafe and Sweets about the closure. Once again, thank you guys for showing us so much support. Continue to comment under our post, like our post, share our post, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more local news updates.
And you can send us an email at newsdesk@wisenewsnetwork.com. Thanks for watching, guys.